Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a video chat request on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to receive video chat notifications from everyone on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you use Instagram to connect with friends, family, or even new people, enabling this setting keeps you in the loop whenever someone tries to reach you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you straight to your personal page where you can access all your account options. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap on that, and a menu will slide out with several options. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control everything about your Instagram experience, from account security to notifications. Now, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This is where you manage all the alerts Instagram sends you, including likes, comments, and, of course, calls. Inside the Notifications menu, find and tap on Calls. This is the area dedicated to both voice and video chat notifications. Under the Calls section, you'll see an option labeled Video Chats. Here, you'll find different choices for who can send you video chat notifications. To make sure you never miss a request, select From Everyone. This means you'll get notified whenever anyone tries to start a video chat with you, whether you follow them or not. And that's it. With these steps, you've now enabled video chat notifications from everyone on Instagram. You'll stay connected and never miss an opportunity to chat face-to-face no matter who's reaching out. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.